If you live in Midlothian, you need to hear this. Whether you're looking to kickstart your career, change jobs, or develop new skills to help you achieve your goals, your Skills Development Scotland Careers Advisors are here to support you right on your doorstep. You can make an appointment to come and speak to one of our friendly and helpful advisors at our locations in the Midlothian campus of Edinburgh College at Eskbank, Gorebridge Beacon, right next to the Leisure Centre in Gorebridge, Midlothian Community Action in the centre of Dalkeith on White Hart Street, or Food Facts Friends on John Street in Pennycook. You'll find expert advice, practical tools and personalised guidance from one of our dedicated team. Explore career pathways, access training opportunities and get advice tailored to your ambitions. These services are designed for everyone, whether you're a school leaver, looking to upskill or re-entering the workforce. The journey to your future starts now. Call 0800 917 8000 or visit myworldofwork.co.uk